Happy December! Can you believe we're in the last month of the year? So what's the latest housing data for LaGrange? Well, we continue to see homes sell more quickly due to the supply and demand, with buyers more active despite higher mortgage rates. For more information about the housing market, be sure to check out my monthly real estate market series, which lets you know what's happening both locally and nationally. But for now, let's look at what's happening right here in LaGrange. Hi, I'm Angela Ramos with August Home Group and eXp Realty. Let's look at what's happening locally. At the time of this recording in LaGrange, there were only 16 homes for sale, 10 pending homes, and 14 sold homes in November. The average list price was $526,000 and the average sold price was $449,450, and these homes were on the market an average of 19 days. As for the rest of the Chicagoland market, there were 11,500 homes for sale, down 26% from this time last year. There are 5,100 pending homes and 4,900 sold homes in November. The average sold price was $310,000 and they were on the market an average of 37 days. So as you can see, with the changing market, it's no surprise that homes are not staying on the market for a long time and there is significantly less inventory. With the constant shifts, you need an experienced agent to help guide you through your next moves in real estate. Connect with our team today to get more information, and we can strategize what to do with your home. We look forward to elevating your lifestyle.